So there's a metal cone on this one. This one out of this Riva package. Couldn't pull it off by hand, so I had to give it a pull. First time I ever had to do that. So it looks like it might have had threads on it at one time. Just to tighten it up. I don't know. This is the impeller. I don't see any material in there. Well, I guess we're just going to put that back together. I'm not going to worry about that. And be thankful we got it off there. Alright, I'm going to get prepped and then get this cleaned up. I'll set the camera up so you can watch. Spline's greased, the seal, pump seal, I lubed that with some dielectric. This is what I used on the spline on the drive shaft. And I got the little follower piece back on there. It went right back on easy with some grease on it. I can't believe how easy it went on, but it's just how it is. So I'm going to start throwing it back together. I'll show you as I go, step by step. Okay, I got the cone and the pump back on. When you do these jobs, you got to make sure that your O-rings don't fall out. These two here are your bilge or your drain. This actually creates a siphon to these two little lines that right here. And it sucks the water out of the bottom of your boat. This is your coolant line. This is the O-ring for the coolant line, and these are color-coded per machine. It's like a restriction washer, kind of like a washer you might find in a low-flow shower head. This restricts the flow. Pretty straightforward so far. I had to lay down and pick the drive shaft up to get it started, and that's about it. But the bucket is going to be another story. I'll get started on that and show you what I ended up on. Alright, I got it back together. I'm not sure how, but I bolted the black piece on first, the big piece, the bucket. Put those in there. I left them a little loose because I wasn't sure how it was going to work out. Somehow I was able to wedge and wiggle and jam this piece up in there with this unhooked, pulling it up and down. Pulling this up and down, I was able to wiggle that and jam it up in there. And then this is my lock, so it doesn't come down on my arm. And I'm going to get the other two bolts in there and see how it plays out. But so far so good. Well, that's a glorious event. I can't get that bolt attached. I'm going to run the IVR back out, but I'm afraid when I turn the machine on, it's going to run out on its own automatically and bind up against a bunch of the rigging and then break something. So, I don't have a lot good to say about the whole operation at the moment, but I'm going to get it figured out. At this moment, it's a piece of crap, okay? Basically, yeah. Whoever designed it, yeah, okay? Good enough. So I tied this piece of string to the actuator, picked up on it, put these boards in there. Come on. For it to slide on. Then I plugged it in, got it actuated. It was positioned to where I could get the bolt in it, which was a trick. And we got it all back together. Yeah. Pain in the tailpipe, but it's done now. Both of them are done, ready to leave, other than I can put cover back on them. So that's it. RXT300 and the tricks. And the pump off to both of them. Don't recommend it. Probably two of the worst skis. The pump is easy on this one, it's just the bucket was a pain. And two lower bolts in the cone on that one are a monster. But other than that, it's just how it is, I guess. Good luck if you pull one of these apart. Have fun. Bye.